Let's go. So we just got home from training. Nahlaa's been hassling me to try this disgusting science kit. When did you get that, Nahlaa?
For my birthday.
For your birthday?
No, this is the soap.
What did you make yesterday?
Soap.
Soap. And today we're going to try and make...
Nothing.
Yes, the disgusting putty. So, hang on, keep it all together please. We don't know which one we need yet. Okay, so that's what we're going to do. My first disgusting science kit. Nahlaa got it for her birthday. She's been hassling to do it for a long time. We're going to finally get it done.
So we just need this one.
What we need for the disgusting putty kit is 2 Ziploc bags. So we got them. You hold them, you check them. So we'll put them down there. 2 Ziploc bags. We need a jar. Do we have a jar? That might be our jar. Got our jar. Carter wants to come and get involved in the experiment.
No, I just want to see the camera.
Winter's coming. So we've got our 2 Ziplocs. We've got our jar. We need our 5 gram shimmer. And that's what that is. We've got our 5 gram shimmer.
5 grams.
We need our 2 stirring sticks. Have we got them, Nahlaa?
Check.
Check. Do we have our spoon?
Check.
Check. We need our 5 gram psyllium husk.
What's that?
Now that's what that is.
I thought that was sand.
What's your one there? That's what we need.
That looks like sand.
We'll put that there.
But that looks like sand.
And we need a microwavable bowl. And that's that one. So we've got it all together. We've got everything we need.
And the lid for this.
Okay, the lid's for the jar. Good job. So we've got everything?
Mm-hmm.
Are you ready to get started?
Yeah!
Are you excited?
Yes.
Do you think we're going to be able to do it?
Yes.
Alright, let's have a look. So that is the disgusting putty kit. And we seem to have everything.
Yeah.
So now we're going to head to the instructions and see how we go.
Huh?
Hey, are you going to help for the experiment? You go stand with Nahlaa. Go, Nahlaa. Good girl. Stand up.
Yeah.
There we go. Say hello. Say hello, Winter. Hey. We are ready to start the disgusting putty kit. Alright, so
First,
I don't know if we've got everything. What's that from? I think we might need the stuff from yesterday. Hang on, Winter, leave it.
Just put it up here.
Winter's not helping very much.
That's me getting frustrated because I don't know how to read the instructions. But I know the camera's rolling, so I can't yell at Winter too
Add
much.
2 drops of green stir. Carefully open the sachet. Measure 1 flat scoop of powder and shake it
Also,
over
we're
the
making
water.
slime.
Hang on. Not sure what we're making yet. Stir the mixture until it goes thick and smooth.
Wait.
It's at this point I'm actually wondering if we can pull this kid's experiment off.
Where's the food colour?
Can you get a chopping board there? We might need that.
This chopping board. We might need that. We might need that. Is this a chopping board? Is this a chopping board? What is this?
Yep, that's what we need. And we need the green dye. Get the red one just in case. So we've got the green and the red. Check. 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 Okay. Can you fill one of them? Hang on. Can you fill it up?
Cold water.
Cold water will be fine. So fill it up.
This thing.
We'll put it on cold so we don't burn ourselves. Let's have a look.
Stand up.
That looks just about right. Now it says
Move for a second.
to pour 60 mils straight into here. So we're pouring.
All of it.
Now we have to add 5 drops of the green one. So do you want to get that out? That's it. Roll the sleeves up. Winter, you doing your own experiment? Yeah? Okay.
Now we have to squeeze it in.
5 drops.
How old are
Hold the
you?
water like this.
Can you open it?
You just got to twist it, baby. Can you twist it?
My hands are too slippery.
Okay. Give me a look. Try it now. Yep. Pull it off. Put the lid down. And we're going to add 5 drops straight into the water.
1. Yeah.
1. Squeeze it. 2. 3. 4. 1 more. 5. There we go. Now what it says to do, there's our 5 drops. We have to get the stick and stir it all in.
First I have to put the lid on. I feel like we're making slime. This is how you normally make slime, but
Yeah, well, it's a little bit the
glitter.
same. Now what does it say? Now we need to carefully open the sachet. Alright, leave that.
Put that on.
Okay,
What
we
the-
need to carefully open this. Okay, so there's our 1 scoop. And it says we need to shake it over the water. Like this.
That's all.
Now we need to stir and mix until it's thick and smooth. Okay. Stir it all. You've got to keep all that brown stuff in, baby. Otherwise it won't go thick. Keep it up. Hold, you got to tilt it up.
We need 2 drops of I don't know.
Okay, now we've got to microwave the mixture for 60 seconds. So do you want to grab it? And if you bring it over to the microwave. Now if you're going to use a microwave, make sure your parents help you out. Alright, put it gently. Alright, we're going to put 1 minute. Winter.
This is our old microwave.
Our old microwave. And how long is it in there for?
1 minute.
1 minute. It's very slimy and gooey. I think that's what we wanted it to do.
It's very hot, so don't touch it with your hands.
Yes, it boils right up. That's okay. After 1 minute of cooking, wait 20 seconds
I don't like it when it's
and put the very hot container onto a heat-proof surface. So we've done that with our chopping board, the wood. That's what we're supposed to do. And stir for 20 seconds. How's it looking?
good.
What does it look like?
Slime.
Slime. Winter's getting hungry. Remy's hungry. Keep stirring it. Oh, it's looking like... What does that look like to you?
Slime.
That looks a bit like your boogers.
That's slime.
I think it looks like your boogers.
Looks like slime.
Looks like your boogers. Ah!
It's just green.
Show me your nose. Show me in your nose. That's what your boogers look like. Where did all your teeth go?
Oh, I lost them.
Now we need to put it back in the microwave.
Back?
Yep.
Why?
That's what it says to do. So can you press the 1? Yep, and then 0. Down, down, down. Up. That one, yep, and again. And then we're going to press start down the bottom. Next to it, that's it. There we go. Well done, you worked the microwave. Excellent work, Nahlaa.
I'm never holding the camera, okay?
Never? Well, that's not very fair.
Yeah, because if it's too, I can't even hold it. And then you have to take it out the microwave.
What's it saying, Nahlaa?
You have to take it out of the microwave.
And what do we do after that?
What step were we?
Step number 9, I think.
Okay. Now which one?
I'm not too sure, to be honest. How's the microwave looking? How much time do we have left? Oh, what? Perfect timing. It's finished. Hang on. It's going to be very hot, so the adults have to get it. You go back to the experiment station. Whoa, it's looking very gooey. And stir all the strands of slime together to make one big lump. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4,
3, 2, 1.
3, 2, 1. Let's stir the slime.
What's the
Get
lump?
it all off the side so you need it all in one pile. So get it all together. How's it going? Do you need me, the expert stirrer, to get it for you? Oh, I like your technique. See what she's doing? She's getting it off the sides of the bowl so she can get it all to the middle.
Making disgusting putty.
And it's starting to look a lot like
Slime.
and putty and boogers. It's green and yucky and gooey and looks like Nahlaa's boogers. That's disgusting.
Now it smells like roll-ups. Now winter then roll-ups.
Alright, well make sure we get it in the pile.
Oh my god.
You've done a wonderful job stirring the gooey boogery
Now look at my face.
slime.
Look at me.
Ugh, cross-eyed. Nahlaa always does cross-eyed.
Why didn't we do red?
Oh, maybe next time we can do red. Maybe the subscribers can leave us a comment, Nahlaa, and they can tell us what colour they want us to do. I think we done green, but so it looked disgusting. So it looks like boogers. Ugh.
I want it to look like blood.
Blood. Alright. Well, there we have it. What it says to do now is it says we need to leave it for 5 minutes to cool down. And then we're going to put it in the container. And
What container?
it's going to make some fart noises, I think.
What container?
We'll see in a sec. So we've got to wait 5 minutes.
This already. Yeah. Container.
We'll leave it for 5 minutes, okay?
Mhm.
And then it's going to be nearly ready. What it says to do is we have to get the putty, pull it out, and we have to put it in here. Push it in. Oh, can anyone hear that? What's it sound like? Push it in.
Five.
Sounds like what?
Friday.
Push it in. Oh, yuck. You look like you got boogers all over you.
Yeah, I do.
Oh, yuck. Push it in. Let me have a look. Push it in. Oh, push it in again.
Whoa.
Oh, yuck. Well, there you have it. We've made some yucky booger green slime that makes fart noises. What do you think, Nahlaa?
Good.
Oh, yuck. Can we put the lid on?
Ah.
Oh, don't let the boogers out. Put them back in your nose, Nahlaa.
Yeah.
Don't eat them. Remember that time when you ate your boogers? Oh, yuck.
Well, baby.
When you're a baby, that's okay. Now, one of the most important things we do is we need to pack up. So let's get this. Open that up. We need to put our sachet. We need to make sure we put that away because we've got little kids in this house. So you can't touch it, alright? No touching it. Crazy. Yeah. You hold the bag open. Can we squash it in? Alright, now close the bag up. Now drop it in there. Put the stick in there. We'll put the other stick. We'll leave that out. The beaker. These things. Everything in. Everything in. Put the dye away because otherwise that'll be on Daddy's carpets and I'll get very mad. That can go in there. Alright, Nahlaa, tell us about your experiment. What did we do? What did we make?
Putty slime.
Putty slime. What did it look like? Did you have lots of fun?
Thanks for watching the Austin team. Like and subscribe.
So make sure you like and subscribe.
Like and subscribe. Leave a comment. Thanks for watching.
And at the end of our experiment, what we like to do, Winter, is we like to dance. You want to dance? Do you want to dance? And what song do we dance to? What song do we dance to? What? Boom. Boom. Whoa. Baby shark do 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 do.
We made the slime to not stick to our hand.
Daddy shark do 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 do. Daddy shark do 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 do. Daddy shark. Look, this is where Winter goes crazy. Go crazy. Go crazy. Run away. Run away. Run away. Run away. Run away. Run away. Safe at last. Do, 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 do. Safe at last. Run away. Do, 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 do. Woo. Alright guys, thanks for watching the Austin team. We made some green, gooey, gummy, boogery, yucky slime that makes fart sounds. Keep watching.
I'm playing with it right now.
Make sure you subscribe, leave a comment. Yeah.